among the rounders, and a story I'll tell.
Well, hello fellow travelers. Let's do something simple today. This is unsalted butter. Butter is made up of three things: butterfat, water, and milk solids. We're going to clarify this butter, which means that we're going to take out the water and the milk solids, leaving just the butterfat behind. That's the good stuff. Pure cooking gold. So why do this and go through all the trouble? Well, there are three big reasons and a couple of little perks. First, it concentrates the flavor. Pure, buttery goodness. Second, it raises the smoke point from about 350 degrees Fahrenheit up to about 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great for searing fish or steaks, or even popping corn. And third, and this is big for an outdoor cook like me, it stays good even at room temperature for up to about 2 months. Store it in the fridge and it can last a year or more. Now those side benefits? Some folks say that it might be healthier than table butter. It does have less lactose, which some people will appreciate. It's more stable for certain sauces like hollandaise. And hey, it stays soft at room temperature, so it won't tear up your toast in the morning. First, we want to start with enough butter so that we're not wasting our time. And it needs to be unsalted butter. I have 2 pounds of butter here. That should give us a little bit over 3 cups once it's been clarified. You'll need a large pot around 3 to 4 quarts in size. This is one time that I don't recommend black cast iron. Use stainless steel or enamel instead. You'll need a skimmer or a flat spoon, fine strainer or cloth, and a heat-proof container. I'm using this here Pyrex measuring cup. Cut the butter up if you like, and into the pot it goes. And set the stove to medium heat. When it foams up, immediately turn the heat down low and start skimming the white foam off of the top. Those little bubbles, that's the water evaporating. When those bubbles stop, we'll need to remove the pan from the heat. Keep skimming and keep an eye on the color. It should become golden and clear. The milk solids will settle to the bottom. If you overdo it and it starts to brown, that's okay too. They call that ghee. Okay, the bubbles have stopped and it's time to strain. Pour gently through a fine mesh strainer, a cheesecloth, or do like I do and use a clean, fine mesh cloth. Try not to stir up those solids on the bottom. We're leaving those behind. Now we pour it into a sealed container, store it in a cool dark place, or pop it into the fridge. And that's all there is to it, friends. It doesn't take a whole lot of time, effort, or skill, and you've got yourself some cooking gold. Thanks for dropping by, folks. If you found this helpful, give it a like. And if you want to catch that next story or recipe, in which we might use some of this here butter, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you down the line.